Hi Suko players. I put together this video to demonstrate a technique I found that really helps to solve the Suko puzzles, especially when you're stuck. It's based on the fact that the 9 numbers of a Suko board total 45, and this technique will allow you to determine the sum of any two opposing corners if you know the middle number, and conversely it'll allow you to determine the middle number if you know the total of any two opposing corners. I'll demonstrate this on a solved puzzle. So here's a solved puzzle. The middle number is 9. So let's say you know the middle number, but you'd like to know what the total of these opposing corners are, and you don't know them. So the trick is you take the middle number and you add 45 to it. So that gives you 54. Then if you wanted to know these two corners, the total of these two corners, you take these opposite box numbers, the sum of those box numbers, which is 49, subtract that from 54, and you get 5. 54 minus 49 is 5, and you'll notice that this total is 5. Same holds true of the other corners. Take the 9, add 45 to it, you get 54. Now subtract these two, which is 46, and you get 8, which is the total of these two corners, 3 and 5. So conversely, you can do it in the opposite direction. If you don't know the middle number, but you know the total of two opposite corners, you can figure out what this middle number has to be. You just do this trick in reverse. You take the sum of the two opposing corners, which is 5, add it to the opposing box numbers here, which is 49, and you get 54. And then you subtract 45 from 54, and you get 9, which is the middle number. The same holds true on the other two corners. These two corners, you add them together. 3 and 5 is 8. You add them to these two box sets, which is 46. You get 54. Subtract 45 from 54, and you get 9, which is the middle number. Now this is still helpful even if you don't know what the middle number is exactly. Maybe you think there's 2 possibilities, there's even 4 possibilities. You can quickly do these calculations in your head or just on a piece of paper, and you can slowly eliminate what this middle number cannot be just based on the other possibilities that you have. So just not knowing the middle number, you can still use this technique, and it has been really helpful, I find, for these puzzles, especially these harder ones where they don't give you very much to go on. The reason that this technique works is pretty simple. If you add these numbers from this box here, 24, and you add these numbers together, what you're doing is adding the total of all these 4 and these 4, but the middle number is being added twice. So when you add these two boxes and these two corners, you're in effect totaling all the numbers in the Suko puzzle plus the middle number twice. And we know that the total of the numbers is 45. So if you've added the middle number twice, all you have to do is take 45 away from that total, and you get the middle number. So that's how this works. I hope you find this as helpful as I have, and thanks for watching.